Spend the weekend with me as a dental student. So I started out my Saturday by heading to the lab because I have a practical and I have a mannequin coming up, which basically what my mannequin means is that I'm doing pretty much a practical but downstairs in the clinic and I have to present it to faculty. So I am going to actually be practicing that today. And what I plan to do is I'm doing a number 3 MOA. Yes, and that A stands for amalgam. Since I'm having to do this in the clinic, I like to make sure that I am able to do it fairly quickly because not only do I have to present my patient to the faculty, there's multiple steps within this process that I have to get checked off by the faculty so that I'm able to continue on and that I'm able to get it checked off so that I pass this. I did the prep and I honestly felt really good. I will say the restoration with the amalgam wasn't my favorite, but I will say that the amalgam upstairs is just not the best. It's not the newest amalgam that we have, and so the way it sets up is kind of weird, and I also feel like it is kind of crumbly and can really fall apart very easily, especially when you take the Tafelmeyer out, so I had to be super, super careful. After completing that, I decided to work on my temporary for fix for just a little bit. I honestly didn't spend too much time on it, and I don't want to rush too much because a lot of people in my class have cracked theirs and I really don't want to have to start this whole process completely over. After leaving the lab, I went home and ate, and then I started getting ready for my event. And honestly, the first thing I like to do to get ready is to whiten my teeth. The event that I have tonight is Champagne Life, which is held by one of the fraternities at the dental school, and basically we all go to this venue, get all dressed up, and then we have different kinds of champagne and different drinks, and it's honestly so fun. Here are some pictures from the event. I honestly didn't take any videos the rest of the night, but I did end up going out after, and I'm the kind of person, if I go out once, that's enough for me for the entire week. And it was Super Bowl Sunday, so I really didn't even do anything for the Super Bowl, and honestly I'm kind of thankful because of the way the game went. But being in Kansas City and having the game just go as badly as it did was kind of depressing because everybody was out in their Chiefs gear and it was just really, really sad. But that is how I spent my whole weekend.